The AA established a long-standing federal role in planning the entire agricultural sector of the economy and was the first program on such a scale by the troubled agricultural economy. The original AA did not provide any facilities for tenants or farm workers who were maybe unemployed, but there were New Deal programs specifically for them, such as Farm Security Administration. In 1936, Supreme Court declared the AA unconstitutional for technical reasons. It was replaced by a similar program that received the court approval. Instead of paying farmers to keep the fields barren, they were subsidized instead to cultivate soil that enriched crops like alfalfa, which would not sell in the market. The federal regulation of the agricultural production has been amended several times since then, but the basic philosophy of the subsidizing farmers, which major subsidized, still goes into effect in 2015. Rural assistance modern method did not reach the backward like Wilder, Tennessee's Valley Authority 1942. Many villagers were living in extreme poverty, especially in the South. Major programs addressed their needs include the Resettlement Administration, the Rural Electricity Administration, WPA, NYA, Forestry Services, and Rural Wellness projects sponsored by the CCC, including school launches. New schools are being built, roads are opened in remote areas, deforestation and purchase of the modest land for expanding. National Forest and Administration launched the Tennessee Valley Authority, a project designed to deal with the flood in the Tennessee Valley in the southern United States on an extraordinary scale. Of dam to generate electricity and modernize extremely poor fields include construction plans. For the first time through a program like the Settlement Administration and Farm Security Administration, there was a national program to help migrant and backward peasant. His plight gained national attention through the 1939 novel and film The Grapes of Wrath. The New Deal throughout there were too many farmers and loans to buy farms opposes the poor's demand for loans. However, it made a concerted effort to upgrade the healthcare facilities available to the sick populations. Agriculture was very prosperous during World War II. Everyone as rationing and cost control helped the U.S. and Allied forces to guarantee its availability. The availability of meat and other foods was limited during World War II. Farmers were not drafted, but more work, especially in the southern cotton fields, was voluntarily transferred to war jobs in the cities. In 1945 till date, government policies, New Deal Air Farm program were launched in 1940s to 1950s with the aim of the supporting farmers' prices. Common program include farm loans, commodity subsidies, and pricing supports. The rapid decline in farm population led to a small pause in the Congress. As a result, well-organized farm bureaus and other lobbyist workers worked to appeal to the urban Congress through the food stamp program for the poor in the 1970s by 200. The largest component of the farm bill was the food stamp program. In 2010, the Tea Party movement committed many Republicans to cut down all federal subsidies, including agricultural. Meanwhile, the urban Democrats strongly opposed the decline, pointing to the receiver program arising, including agricultural. Meanwhile, the urban Democrats strongly opposed to decline, pointing to the reserve program arising from the economic crisis of 2018 and 10. The Agricultural Act of 2014 saw many rural Republican congressional workers voting against the program. It was approved with the bilateral cooperation. For example, the entire Republican delegation of Kansas in the House of Representatives voted against the bill despite strong support from the Kansas agriculture organizations.